I know, you're the best of the best of top producers, and you want to stay there. Hi, my name is Robert Smith, publisher of Upstate Real Producers, an exclusive magazine for the top 500 real estate agents of the Upstate. With over 10,000 licensed agents in the area, over 80% of the residential real estate is sold by you, the top 1 to 2%, the best of the best. The top producers, what I call Upstate Real Producers. Our goal? Well, we're here to connect, inform, and inspire you, the top producers, through a high-quality monthly publication that features top agents, rising stars, real estate legends, featuring market trends, upcoming events, and much, much more. Our goal is to build a powerful, successful relationship between top agents and vendors that support their business. Each one of our partners have been vetted and referred by at least one of our top agents that believe they do amazing work and run an impressive business.
One of the things that I love about real estate law is its connection to our community. I love being able to help our families and our community grow and to improve properties and to see our city flourish. One of the questions you're undoubtedly thinking is, why would the top producers care about the Upstate Real Producers magazine? And the answer is there are a lot of things to care about. The Upstate Real Producers magazine is going to, the actual publication is going to feature different agents each month so that everybody gets to know one another. There's going to be a top agent section, there's a rising star section, so you are going to not only know and be in the know about who else is in the top of your field, but also you're going to get to know them, be able to read their stories, and I really feel that once we know one another, we're able to do so much more together.
Along with our monthly publication, we host quarterly events where the best of the best get together at classy venues around the Upstate where they network, socialize, and have a great time.
With an agency as large as ours, it is so important for us to make sure that our agents know each other within different offices, and then also them to get to know the other agents throughout the different counties. So instead of just knowing or getting to see somebody at the closing table, they're already familiar with each other. After going to these different quarterly events, getting to know each other, strengthening those relationships, it just helps us all become a better, more cohesive unit in the real estate community in the entire Upstate.
We created a remarkable program where the cream of the crop in our real estate market is brought together all under the hood of Upstate Real Producers. If you're a top producer, we would love to hear from you to spotlight your story. If you're a business that's interested in Upstate Real Producers, have your favorite realtor refer you. We're Upstate Real Producers, where top producers gather to connect, inform, and to inspire.